Hi food lovers, I'm back with this yummy pancake recipe. It's easy and simple to prepare. You need a bowl of hot milk, warm milk actually, and flour. You crack your eggs. I used 3 eggs. You whisk it up and you add your sugar and a pinch of salt to your flour mix and mix it. Then you add your chopped pepper and onion into your milk and egg mix. Whisk it up together. Then you pour the mix into your flour. Give it a good whisk. Mix it till you have the perfect consistency. You can add water, a little bit of water just to loosen it up a bit. I did add water to mine. Butter up your pan. Spread it evenly. Then you pour in your pancake mix into your pan. Flip your pancake, and guys, your yummy pancake is ready. You can top it up with some maple syrup as I did here and have it to some juice. I had it with juice actually. Guys, this recipe is quick, easy, and it tastes as good as it looks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.